Namaste students, welcome to 7th standard social science. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Geography, Population and Settlement, book back question answers. In that, choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, match the following, answer the following in a paragraph. In last class we learned answer the following, give reason and distinguish between. I hope you all are studied well. Okay, now we can read. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Caucasoids or Caucasoid race is also known as European, Negroid, Mongolian, Australian. The answer is European. Next, question number 2. Dash race is known as Ancient American race. The answer is Mongolian. Third question. The official language of India is Hindi. Question number 4. Rural settlements are located near water bodies. Question number 5. Arrange the following in terms of size. So depends upon the size we want to arrange. The answer is 1342. 1 is city, 3 is metropolis, 4 is conurbation, 2 megalopolis. So the answer is 1342. Next we are going to see about fill in the blanks. So in that first question, the bushman is found mainly in Dash Desert in South Africa. Answer is Kalahari Desert. Second question, linguistic stock is a group of Dash family sharing features and its origin. The answer is language. Linguistic stock is group of language family sharing features and its origin. Next, third question, in Dash settlement where most of the people are engaged in secondary and tertiary. So third one answer is urban. In urban settlement where most of the people are engaged in secondary and tertiary. Question number 4. Dash towns are generally located outside the rural urban fringe. The answer is satellite. Satellite towns are generally located outside the rural urban fringe. Next one, fifth question. Dash settlement come up around a place of worship. Fifth one answer is pilgrim. Pilgrim centers come up around a place of worship. Next we can see the match the following. Caucasoids, the answer is European. Negroid, African. Mongolian, Asian American. Australian, Australia. Next we can see another one match the following. Sutlej Ganga plain, rectangular pattern. Nilgiris, dispersed settlement. South India, compact settlement. Sea coast is a circular settlement. Haryana is a star-like pattern. Okay, now we completed choose, fill up and match the following. Next we can see answer the following in a paragraph. First question, write about the 4 major classification of races. The answer is race is a biological grouping within the human species. Most widely found human racial types are based on traits such as head shape, nose shape, eye shape, and color, skin color, stature, blood groups, etc. So, depends upon that the major classification of the races are. There are four major classifications of the races: Caucasoids, European; Negroid, African; Mongoloid, Asiatic; Australoid, Australian. First one, Caucasoid: fair skin, dark brown eyes, wavy hair, and narrow nose. The Caucasoid are also found in Eurasia. Next one, Negroid: dark eyes, black skin, black woolly hair, wide nose, long head, and thick lips. They are living in the different parts of Africa. Next, Mongolians. How Mongolians look like? Light yellow to brown skin, straight hair, flat face, broad head, and medium nose. Such people are found in Asia and Arctic region. Next, the final race is Australoid: wide nose, curly hair, dark skin, and short in height. They are living in Australia and Asia. So, first detail we are completed. Next, we are going to see second detail. What are the factors influencing rural settlement? The answer is rural settlements are predominantly located near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and springs where water can be easily available. Second one, people choose to settle near fertile lands suitable for agriculture along with the provision of other basic needs. Factors influencing rural settlement, we can see now 5 points. Factors influencing rural settlement. First, we learned that what is rural settlement. After that, we are going to write the factors influencing rural settlement. So, these are the 5 points. Nature of topography, local weather condition, soil and water resources, social organization, economic condition. So, these are the factors influencing in rural settlement. Next, question number 3, third detail. This is, what are the types of rural settlement? Explain any 3. The answer is, a rural settlement pattern is a function of relief, climate, water supply, and socio-economic factor. It is broadly classified under the following patterns such as linear, rectangular, circular, star-like pattern, etc. First, we can see any 3 they were asked. So, first, in a linear settlement, houses are arranged along the either side of a road, railway line, river, or canal, the edge of a valley, etc. Example, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Rockies. Second one, the rectangular settlements are almost straight, meeting each other at straight angles. Such a settlement is found in plain areas or intermountain plains. Example, Sutlej. Next, third point, houses built around the central area are known as circular pattern of settlements. Such settlement develop around lakes and tanks. Okay, today we are completed. Choose, fill up, match the following and answer the following in a paragraph. So all should study well and get good marks. Thank you so much.